I just received my Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2 headphones that I ordered on Amazon. I'm gonna open up the box, show you what is in the box, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on these headphones, and later I'm gonna do a full review about them. I ordered them in the limited edition Desert Gold because I like the mixture of these colors. They come in this carrying case, and this is some documentation that comes also with the headphones. The case is a rigid case that is very well done. It has a zip that is weatherproof. And these are the beautiful headphones in the case. You have in the pouch here two cables, a jack cable that is 3.5 millimeter to 2.5 millimeter if you want to listen to the headphones wired, and USB-C to USB-C cable to charge the headphones and also to listen to these headphones with high res. And this is the first time I'll be wearing these headphones. And my first impression on the comfort and on the quality of the material that touches me is excellent. So they are extremely comfortable, and I have the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 1 headphones, and these I can tell you that my first impression is that they are more comfortable. I'm gonna listen now to some music, give you my impression on the sound quality as it is out of the box. So my first impression of the sound quality is that it is very good. It needs some tuning. It is a little bit bass heavy to my taste. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I release the review video of these headphones.